Using a Revolut virtual card to make purchases in store is a convenient and secure way to shop. To get started, you will need to have a Revolut account and the Revolut app installed on your smartphone. First, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Cards section. Here, you can generate a new virtual card by tapping the Add New Card option. You will then be prompted to choose the type of card you want to create, such as a virtual debit or credit card. Once you have created your virtual card, you will need to add it to your digital wallet, such as Google Pay or Apple Pay. To do this, open your digital wallet app and follow the prompts to add a new card. You will need to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. When you are ready to make a purchase in store, simply open your digital wallet app and select the Revolut virtual card you created. Hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction using your phone's fingerprint or face recognition technology. It is also important to note that you can freeze or unfreeze your virtual card at any time, giving you an added layer of security and control over your spending. Additionally, you can set spending limits and receive real-time notifications for all transactions made using your virtual card. By following these steps, you can easily use your Revolut virtual card to make purchases in store and take advantage of the convenience and security that it offers. Remember to always keep your virtual card details safe and secure, and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions.